In this video, I will create a UPCe barcode using IDAutomation Barcode Fonts and the VBA font encoder for Excel. Designed to uniquely identify a product for retail checkout or tracking purposes, UPCe encodes global trade item numbers. I've already installed the UPCe EAN font package and imported the VBA font encoder. For information on how to import the VBA, check out the link in the description. In cell B2, enter the formula equal UPCe and the cell's reference A2. Hit Enter to encode the data. The data is encoded. Set the barcode font. Select Home. In the Font drop-down, select the IDAutomation UPCe EAN L font. This is a UPCe barcode in Excel.